Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product that's been a game changer for my family and me. We've been using the Philips RO system for a while now, and I'm thrilled to give you the lowdown on this incredible water filter. It's been a total revelation. I mean, who doesn't want pure drinking water, right? So what is it? The Philips RO system is a water filter designed specifically for homeowners and families like mine, who want to ensure they're drinking the purest water possible. It's a really clever system that's easy to install and use, and it's been a total breeze to maintain. Now, let's dive into the specs, because this is where things get really interesting. The Philips RO system has a high flow rate of 600 GPD, which is really impressive, and it's got a pure-to-drain ratio of 2.3 to 1, which means you're getting a lot of clean water without wasting too much. The filtration system is also super fine, with a 0.0001 micron filtration, which is crazy small, and it's NSF/ANSI 372 certified, so you know it's been thoroughly tested. The RO filter lasts for 24 months, and the other filters need to be replaced every 12 months, which is pretty standard. I was also impressed to learn that the system can filter out up to 99% of contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and fluoride, which is a big deal for families with young kids or pets. I've been using the Philips RO system in my home for a while now, and I've got to say, it's been a real difference maker. My family and I can really taste the difference in the water, and it's been great for our overall health. We've noticed that our skin is clearer, and we're not getting as many stomach bugs as we used to. Plus, the water tastes amazing, which is a big deal for us coffee and tea lovers. I've also been impressed with how quiet the system is and how compact it is, which makes it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. In terms of real-world use, I've been using the Philips RO system to fill up my water bottles, cook with, and even make ice cubes. It's been a total game changer for our daily routine, and we can't imagine going back to drinking tap water. I've also been experimenting with using the filtered water to water my plants, and I've noticed that they're thriving. The system is also really easy to clean and maintain, which is a big plus for busy families like mine. So what's the verdict? I'd give the Philips RO system a solid 9 out of 10. It's been a total winner for us, and I think it could be for you too. It's easy to use, the water tastes amazing, and it's been a real game changer for our family's health. The only thing that would make it a 10 out of 10 is if the filters were a bit more affordable, but overall, I think it's a great investment for any family. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient water filter, the Philips RO system is definitely worth considering. It's been a great investment for my family, and I think it could be for yours too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.